Hey crew, how's it going? It's JD, February, 18th, 2020. Today is Tuesday. Let's hop back into space. I'm going to show you guys my play right now. Okay. I made a play. I hopped back into the warrants at $17.36. Got 8 of them. I'm trying to flip them, guys. I'm trading around my core position right now. I was initially in the warrants for I believe around $8, but it kind of moved me up to 10 is my current position. But look, space has made a run. We're seeing a doji on the day for the first time. Let me remove taking the VWAP off, guys. But we had to pull back. It had to happen. There's the doji. It's forming right now with a lot of volume. Guys are taking profits. We ran up to 38.71. But there are levels of support in play. I know you don't want to see it go back to 20, but that's the strongest level of support. But along the way, there are also other areas. But it has to pull back, which it's doing right now. But in the process, there's a way to play it. So we'll talk about that in a second. But you see the rollover. RSI was legitimately overbought. The hourly is also a good level to watch, but look, we have levels of like plateaus and shelves, 26.92, 27 range right there, and you have your area of that 29.15, which was last Friday's close. So that's a support level right now that that price is liking. So I'm back in long. Well, I'm long on the warrant. We'll go to that page, but look where it's found. Where price is finding basically support right now at 29.15, around 29, give or take. You draw your support and resistance line almost with a fat crayon, because it's not going to be a perfect landing spot. But look at that. That's the support, and this is the pre-market that I talked about, where it built that base like an algorithm or an AI bot, was just making price designations right in that range right there. But if it falls below that, there's soft support at, what is that? That's 28. But the better support is a little bit lower. But guys, one thing that we're building right now, we have supply above us, so that run up is not going to be just as easy. When I say supply, we have all these buyers that bought up here. They bought it all the way up, and to make price go up there, people have to be willing to sell at these levels to make it go higher. So there might not be sellers, and there may not. You never know who wants to try to pay extra just to participate. So the idea is, space is going to be driven by news right now. Positive news, now we need to find out about if there's that launch for tomorrow. I don't know, but earnings are after the bell on the 25th, February 25th. So that's going to be a key day. But it's finding a little bit of support right now, guys. Now, I can expect over the next the remainder of the day to kind of channel between 32 and 34 back here, and even maybe test that again. But when I put the VWAP on, because space is searching for, basically its average price, and we might run up to the VWAP and see if we can test it, but it's buried below it, and that 34 is going to be a tough threshold to deal with today. So I think we might be in this range for a little bit. Now let's go to the warrant real quick. I'm in the warrant. What did I get in? It's 1734 or 1736, excuse me. I sold 5 earlier at when it was at 21, or 20. And that was my goal, is to keep my core position and then trade around the core position on pullbacks to try to capitalize on certain things. Like if I get the run up, I knew it was going to roll over. You could see it was coming. When I saw that red candle, I said, let me take profit on a couple of these warrants and then maybe put it back into it when it pulls back. So I tried to get in like in the 16s, but I couldn't. It just didn't guarantee. Well, the move wasn't. This chart looks kind of different right now, but I didn't hop in immediately on this green candle right here. Probably once it passed the high of that previous candle right there. And where's it? 1736. Maybe I got a little right in that range. So I wanted to let it give me, I needed a little bit more confirmation. So basically, so I think we're going to be okay, but we're going to have a little, some price action and some issues to deal with, guys. And I like seeing that, but the pullback is coming. Like we've said, it's just part of it. And look at, now we have a bull flag on the right side of the screen. Look at the large candle, pullback, the support. Well, I say support, pullback, and a bounce. And then we have follow through and another green candle. So it might test a VWAP, guys. So, and that's on the warrant. Let's go to the stock and then we get out of here. Yeah, it's already showing support. It might try to test the VWAP. So let's just see how we go. And going into the end of the day, but see if any of you can find out if there's going to be a launch tomorrow. I keep looking for it, but I saw another guy pull it up somewhere, man. So anyway, that's a wrap. We're battling back. All right, have a good one.